Hello friends, in this video I will show you step by step process on how to connect all the needed components to make an aeroplane, glider or even a helicopter. Please do watch till the end as each and every single connection is really important, and even if we miss a single thing, you may not be able to really make it working. This is called as ESC, that is electronic speed controller, which is used to control the speed of the motor what we'll be using. Depending upon the manufacturers, some ESC comes with the leads connected for connecting it to the motor and also for connecting to the battery. So if you have got a ESC which doesn't have the leads connected, this is how you are supposed to connect it. This is how the pins would look. Now we need to connect the electronic speed controller to this. Fill the smaller hole with soldering wire. While it is still hot, insert the connection. Press on the side so that like it still remains hot and it gets properly connected. So I have connected all the three leads. Now we need to connect the other pin as well, which will be connected to the battery. So this is how the connection would look. I am using three different color tapes to differentiate the wires and also to make sure like they are not touching each other. So this part is done. This is a 1400 kV brushless motor. So let's assemble this. So that is the base. You can see the motor with three pins. This is how the brushless motor would look like. We have a couple of screws which we need to fix it. So put this clamp and fasten it well. Make sure it's connected well and tight. This will be used to connect our propeller. So this connection is done now. For our experiment, I'll just connect it to a wooden plank. Since these motors will be very powerful, we need to make sure like it's correctly connected to the board, or else the chances of motor coming out is very high, and which could actually be dangerous as well. So now connecting the motor to electronic speed controller. The reason why I have marked three different colors is just in case if motor is running in a different direction, we need to swap the connection. So this is FlySky 6-channel transmitter, and along with this we also get receiver and binding plug. Make sure the batteries are inserted correctly, or else the transmitter will not work. So let's check if it is correctly connected. So you can see it is connected correctly. So let's keep the binding plug aside. Now this is the receiver. We need to connect the ESC to channel 3, that is CH3, like this. This is 2200 mAh battery. Once it's connected, you can hear the light and also the beep sound indicating it's connected correctly. Now the most important step, binding the transmitter and receiver. So first turn off the receiver and remove the battery. Now connect the binding plug to port B. Now connect the battery to ESC. Press and hold the bind range test switch and turn on. Now remove the binding plug. Now you can see the motor spinning. Now let's connect the propeller and test it. Since this will be rotating at a very high speed, make sure you are taking the necessary safety precautions. The setup is now complete. Since the motor is rotating in the reverse direction, we need to swap the wire like I have shown. Link to buy all this material has been given in the description. You can just click on that and purchase. So this is how the complete connection looks like. Motor connected to electronic speed controller. Now that is connected to the receiver and also it is connected to the battery. So that is the receiver connection going to ESC. So let's test this. So this is our transmitter. Even though it hit the ground multiple times, luckily it always landed correctly, so the propeller was not damaged. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial has helped you, then please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you are not already done. Thank you very much.